क्रिस्टीन फेयर का जो कि इंटरव्यू उनका पर इसके साथ हुआ है करण थापर के साथ, वो वाकई सुनने वाला है. And the way she has, I mean, she's a great supporter of India, and everybody can have their, views, and we should have no objection to that. But what she said in her interview was really an eye-opener. When she talked about India's, the recent altercation that we had with...
You are talking about Christian Fair.
Christine Fair.
Yes.
What she said was an eye-opener in the sense that she accepted many things wholeheartedly with a very open heart. And she said that India की defeat हुई है ये. So anyway, India, I would feel about this latest issue that had erupted, जो कि India की बेवकूफ़ी, I think it was a strategic miscalculation on their part. They thought that they will cow down Pakistan. They were grievously mistaken. They thought that they will run over us. They were not. West, जो कि बहुत अपने आप को समझता था, अपने weapons के ऊपर उसको बड़ा नाज था, कि चाइना ने तो दिन में तारे दिखा दिए. इस तरीके से उसके वेपन्स जो हैं उनका एक वो क्या है 400S उनकी वो यानी उनका जैम कर दिया, हमने सिस्टम ही जैम कर दिया. और फिर जो उनके हमके मिसाइल्स थे इंडिया के वो भी ठप हो गए. 70 they fired and almost they were down by Pakistan, whatever 7. And I must give credit to our military leadership. Absolutely, they have done wonders. And to our civilian leadership. And under them, what ministries that were working, I will give credit to my own ministry. Our ministry did a fabulous job. We did not create a hype. We maintained a cool demeanor. We tried to do things not to create hype in the country. हमने बहुत ही उसको यानी बहुत समझदारी से हमने किया.